factory of 144. So 144, it can be written as 2 times 72. 2 times 72 means 144. Now 72, it can be written as 2 times 36. 2 times 36 means 72, and 36, it is 2 times 18. 2 times 18 means 36, and 18, it can be written as 2 times 9. 2 times 9 means 18, and 9, it can be written as 3 times 3. 3 times 3 means 9. So now we have to select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2, these 2, 2, and these both 3. So now we can write 144 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is these 2 times these 2 times these 2 times these 2 times these both 3. 3 into 3. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.